Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you beautiful denim shirts ideas. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today video. To finish, my first idea is viewers, friends, do you have all jeans here in your closet that you no longer wear? Instead of throwing them away, turn them into something beautiful, practical and unique. All denim is one of the best material for crafting because it is strong, durable and always stylish. In today's video we are showcasing a wonderful collection of denim crafts ideas that will inspire you to recycle your old jeans into amazing handmade creation. This project are perfect for beginners as well as crafts. Amazing denim crafts ideas you can make at home with a little creative and some basic swimming Spanish. All jeans can be transformed into fashionable bag, trendy bag, coin purse, wallet, pencil case, laptop sleeves, cushions cover, table runner and placement, storage basket, wall pockets, plant holder, apron, coaster, keychains, hair accessories and kid toys and friends. And the next idea is weavers. Each denim craft has its own charm and personality. The different shade of blue, texture and the natural fitting of denim make every project look stylish and one of a kind. Why denim is perfect for crafting? Denim fabric is sleek and long lasting, which means your handmade projects will remain useful for years. It is easy to combine with lace, button, beads, embroidery and colorful fabric to create stunning design. You can use jeans pockets as a ready-made storage compartment, fabric scarf or patchwork designs. Upcycling all jeans in a fantastic way to reduce waste and help the environment instead of discarding